The bird of paradise. I don't know if this drink has been named after some flash tropical bird which would likely get bullied by the seagulls that exist over here in the UK, who I swear are on crack or bath salts, as they love nothing more than attacking tourists for their fish and chips on the beach, stealing ice cream from children, and I once witnessed one devouring a live pigeon whilst trying to enjoy a pint in a pub by the river. Also, there are numerous cocktails out there sharing the same name as this drink, but this is a tiki style drink and it's a riff on the jungle bird. The ingredient lineup: I'm using an aged rum, so I went with Appleton Estate 8, although I was contemplating using the black strap rum like Gosling's, then Aperol, Demerara Syrup, fresh pineapple juice and fresh lime juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of rum to our shaker. Follow this up with 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of our fresh pineapple juice. Add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Aperol. 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml Demerara Syrup. Actually a bit of a sour component. 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and we're going to shake this for around 10 to 15 seconds. The history on this cocktail is a bit vague, but it's thought to have been created by Alex Holder of Paul Burger in Austin, Texas. Strain this over ice into a rocks glass. For the garnish, I'm going to add 3 pineapple leaves. The taste test. You get hit with the sweetness, but it's great because it mellows out into a slight bitterness from the Aperol and that little sourness and the lime which goes on there. The pineapple definitely holds this together and works well with the other ingredients. The Demerara syrup is a bit of a game changer that adds more complexity to work with the rum. Do I prefer this to a jungle bird though? I'm a bit on the fence about it. Would I drink it again? 100%. I might even make some this weekend after I finish decorating.